Put cilantro in a container and store it for a year as if it were fresh from the harvest. Really practical. Coriander is a very popular side dish in our daily life. The taste of coriander is very unique. The taste of coriander is really polarizing. Those who like to eat coriander find the taste very fragrant and addictive, but those who do not like coriander find the taste unpleasant. All in all, coriander is definitely a side dish that enhances the flavor and freshness of the dish. When we go to the market to buy vegetables, coriander is usually very fresh and delicious. But after buying it, it usually wilts within 2 days. It is very easy to spoil. Rotten coriander has a very unpleasant taste, so preserving coriander has become very important. So, how do we preserve coriander? Today, I will share with you tips for preserving coriander. Although this tip is very simple, it is very practical. When buying coriander, you can buy a little more and store it, then take it out whenever you want to eat it. Very convenient. Are you interested? If you are, let's take a look at it. First, we will pick up all the yellow and damaged leaves in the coriander we bought. Remember to pick them all up. This is related to whether the coriander can be preserved for a long time. If you do not remove these bad and yellow leaves, they will infect other coriander leaves after they rot, so they must be removed. After cleaning them all, we will share the first method.
Cut off the roots, but do not throw them away. Even when we eat, we mainly eat coriander leaves, so we cut off the roots and plant them to grow again. Now let's prepare a plastic bottle. First, we just need to transform the plastic bottle a little. Take a pair of scissors or a box cutter and cut a circle around the groove 2/3 from the bottom of the bottle. Divide the plastic bottle into 2 parts. Be careful not to cut your fingers because the plastic bottle is very slippery. After cutting, it looks like this. In this way, the mineral water bottle has been transformed simply. Now we can use this bottle to grow coriander. Insert the cut coriander roots into the top of the plastic bottle and thread them from the inside to the mouth of the bottle, exposing all the coriander roots. This will help the roots absorb water. Then, place it in the body of the plastic bottle. Pour in water, being careful to add just enough water to reach the coriander roots. It is best to place the plastic bottle on the balcony or in a warmer place so that the coriander inside can grow vigorously. After a while, the fresh stems and leaves will grow out. We also need to pay attention to changing the water every 2 or 3 days to ensure the freshness of the water and prevent the coriander roots from rotting. In fact, coriander has a distinctive aroma, which is also a natural insect repellent. Under normal circumstances, the possibility of coriander being infected with diseases and harmful insects is very low. Therefore, it is also very suitable to grow coriander at home without fertilizing, as long as the water inside is changed regularly. Wait until the coriander grows well, then cut off the top, and the coriander will continue to grow, allowing us to eat fresh coriander all year round. Now let's look at the second method. Cut the washed coriander into pieces of your desired length. Here, we only need the coriander leaves. The roots can be planted using the first method. After cutting, put the pieces in a jar. Use a glass jar or a plastic jar. Ensure the coriander remains loose and not pressed down.
After placing everything in, close the lid and put it in the freezer. It can be stored for a year and remains fresh with its aroma unchanged. When you need it, just grab a handful and put it on a plate. It's simple and convenient, but do not defrost it. Use it directly. If you can't use it all, keep it in the refrigerator. Next, I will share the third method. Prepare a large bowl. Add some baking soda and a spoonful of salt. Dissolve it, then add all the coriander you bought to soak for 10 minutes. Baking soda has strong disinfecting properties, and soaking coriander in baking soda can remove stains on the surface very well. Salt water has antibacterial properties. When the time is up, wash the coriander. Be gentle when washing because coriander is relatively fragile. When cleaning, we can change the water and wash it many times until it is clean. When taking it out, it can be cooked directly. The coriander has been washed. Drain the water and let the surface dry. If you are in a hurry, you can dry it with a kitchen towel. The drier the surface, the longer it will last. After drying, wrap it in plastic wrap. Remove all the air from the plastic wrap and wrap it tightly. Once wrapped, put it in the refrigerator to preserve it. It will stay fresh for 2 months. You can take it out whenever you want to eat it. For longer storage, put it directly in the freezer. After taking it out, it will be like fresh coriander. The tips for preserving coriander shared here are simple and practical. If you have uneaten coriander at home and don't know how to preserve it, try these methods. They provide a long shelf life, effective preservation, and keep the coriander fresh and green. You can also buy more coriander when prices are low and save it for when prices increase. If you found this useful, give it a like and share it with your relatives and friends. Thank you for your support. Goodbye, and see you again.